like the sense of community that I had doing the program. I've looked at this in the past and it always felt very much like an outsider doing it. So this was a program where you always had feedback from other people, either from yourself or Chris or from other mentorees. The group that I'm in, where I live, is wonderful. We have meetings once a month and that's been fantastic. So I feel like I'm part of something bigger than before.
The ongoing support would have been by far the best part of the program that I thought. You know, the quickness that you came back for the answers that we had, and just the general support from the other mentorees as well was probably the best part, I thought. Yeah.
The best is the support and encouragement and all the feeling of the community of being a successful group of people, and really sort of give me the boost of confidence and really sort of increase my self-esteem to actually engage the market confidently. Yeah.
I was able to ask you questions and get more in-depth detail than what I could have picked up from the books. And also just the interaction with the people on the forum, seeing the questions they had and the answers that sort of came up as well. And I just felt it was a very safe environment. You could have asked anything and people were, you know, really willing to answer those questions.
A lot, because of the psychology section of the course was it's much more than trading. This course it's a new family, so I feel like I've gained so much through this, and it's more than just knowledge of trading.
I have a roadmap for the future that I didn't have before, because I see this as more of a lifestyle change than just a way to make some income. It's going to set me up for the future and my family for the future. So yeah, it's a roadmap.
I think we're just structured more now, and we're going forward. We know where we're heading. You know, it's just put everything into perspective, and just the fact that now that we know what we can really do, we didn't know before. It's just, yeah, it's opened up a whole new bunch of stuff for us.
I really think this is a lifelong journey for me. I came from a sort of a background of just normal people just saying if you study well, you work well, and you have a comfortable living in the future. But the world has changed. It's no longer the case where you have to take your own destiny in your own life, and I think that's the most important thing. It gives me the framework and the springboard to actually launch myself into this new career.
I'd say jump in, because it is perpetual. So if you miss something or if you're not ready, then you can come back next year and do it. But also the support for me personally was a really, really big thing.
I consider the mentor program to be like a Rosetta Stone almost, because there's so much information everywhere about options and commodities and all that sort of stuff, and what you guys do is filter all that information down into something tangible that we can use and learn and grow from.
Look, life-changing. I probably do that anyway. I've told lots of people while it's been going on, not that they understand, but I've told lots of people that it's just something that changes your life totally. If you know, you're willing to take it on board, it's there for you. Yeah.
And if you're going to do it seriously, if you're going to run it as a business, you need to have all of the skills that you need to run a business. It's no use just mucking around with it. So you may as well invest the time to do something like this program.
If I put it simply, I would say just do it. I would say you really need to have a really good hard look of yourself, of your life goals, that where do you want to be, like in 5 or 10 years' time. And then just maybe just talk to Louise. I found before I started, I thought Louise must have a big company and layers of staff to talk to, and I just talked to her, and yeah, I was immediately feel at home. I mean, there's no really, you really want to take control of your life, just do it. As simple as that.
For me, it's been confidence building. It has definitely been useful and very supportive.
It was f***ing awesome.